Ka-L Elkins is here once again, Niagara Falls State Park, USA. Is that new jacket?
Yeah, wala kasi akong picture pa nito.
Pupunta pa ng USA.
Always go on the other side of the corner. Cherry blossom.
Parang lavender, no?
Oo.
Fresh air.
Okay na ako sa fresh air.
Fresh air. Picture.
Sunod, pagpunta tayo dito ng kapajama.
Sabi niya, Canadian currency not accepted. Thank you. O, magkatabi lang ang Canada at saka US, pero ayaw nilang pera ng Canada. So, ang gamitin, credit card. $1.25 lang naman. So, sulit na yon. So, ayan, $1.25, papasok kami doon sa may putol na tulay o tinatawag na observation deck. So, let's go! So, coming to the putol na tulay is $1. Yeah, putol na tulay. Observation deck is $1.25, but they are not accepting Canadian money. That's too bad, no? Baba ng pera natin. Hindi rin namin tatanggapin ang US dollar. That's so bad. Magkatabi lang si si Canada at saka si USA, pero hindi sila nagtatanggap ng Canadian currency. Hoy. So, pag ikaw ay sasakay ng Maid of the Mist, you go this way. But this one is the observation deck. Observation tower. So, yan. Yan ang mga taong pumupunta sa Maid of the Mist. Yan you see the rainbow. Entrance to observation deck. So, ito yung tinatawag na observation deck or putol na tulay, which is nandito lang sa US side. Ganyan lang, wala lang. So, doon yung nilakaran namin kanina. Nasaan yung mga sasakyan. And that's the Maid of the Mist down there. Sasakay sila sa boat. $28. Fall ang dahon. So that's the Canada side. And that's the Maid of the Mist of Canada side. It's color red. Diyan sumasakay na ipunta ka mismo sa may falls. Ito naman yung US side, color blue. You're going to pay $28 US. And doon is $35 I think sa Canada, Canadian dollar. Korean. And just to let you know guys, na kung ano or sino yung mga nandito na tao, karamihan ay Asians. And they are Indian people. at kunti lang din ang Filipino. Since like this year, nag-umpisa na dumadami ang mga Indian dito sa Canada, pati US. Kaya yun ang mga nakikita dito sa mga attraction. So ngayon, let's continue walking to the falls papunta sa Goat Island. So habang yan lang ang nakikita natin, just keep walking and walking and walking until we reach the horseshoe. Okay, we are here at the pedestrian bridge to Goat Island, Cave of the Winds, Terrapin Point, Luna Island, Three Sister Islands in the parking lot. So, dito maglakad tayo sa my bridge going to those stops. At para malaman ninyo na yung river na ito or yung lake na ito ay galing sa Lake Erie. Yun ang bumabagsak dito sa Niagara Falls. Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Ganon karami ang tubig dito sa Canada para yun ang bumabagsak dito sa Niagara Falls. Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Natapos na namin ang isang lugar. So we're going to the other side. Just to let you know guys, I have a friend na may umuupa sa bahay niya. I think Korean. Naihangin daw dito sa Niagara Falls. And then nawala, namatay. So still be careful. So nandito pa rin kami, walking. It's all trail. Malawak na trail dito sa USA Island, dito sa Niagara Falls. So yan, paligid pa rin ng river or lake na kung saan dito lang nature. Kung ang Canada side ay very commercialized, dito naman sa side dito sa USA, nature na nature, kaya maganda. It's all green. Walking distance lang din, pero it takes maybe an hour para maikot namin itong area na to. And here's the map. Yeah.
No? Cookies ko. Pero yung katawan na dito. Ulo yan.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy?
Yeah.
Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I come through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic. These days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley. A hope is losing its hold. You know the mother girls who love you like I do can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running